Damn, mustache looks good. Looking like a musketeer. Hey guys, JD here, and you just watched the video of my 2-day hike on Stara Planina mountain, aka the Balkan mountain range. The most part of the range is in Bulgaria, with a smaller part reaching into Serbia. The highest peak on the Serbian side is Midzor peak, with 2,169 meters above sea level. The hike all in all was pretty magnificent. The views you see are just amazing. So since there is no forest and no shade at all on the whole trek, you actually do have views all around. Wherever you see, everything looks amazingly breathtaking. So the first day we hiked for some 30 kilometers and the second day only about 15. There is a lot of springs with drinkable water on the trek. I think I came across about 6 or 7. There is 2 ways you can complete the trek. The first one being going over the ridge, which is the more difficult route. And if you're lazy or you're not in that good of shape, you can go around the mountain. We saw some feral horses on the way, which was amazing. On the second day, almost completely down the mountain, we saw also a bunch of cows grazing. The first people who actually arrived at the campsite started pitching the tent on top of a hill, which if you have 1 day experience in camping, you would never do that. But in the end, I was so spent from the first day that I just pitched my tent in between everybody else's and, just passed out. I just slept like a rock. Funny thing is, actually, I did sleep on a rock, but I was too tired to move the tent. I do recommend, however, taking some sunscreen, which I didn't do. So 2 days after we arrived back, I shed my skin like a snake. and I looked like a leper, and that was no fun at all. At some point on the second day, while we went down the mountain, we came across a local which told us that there is a shortcut. So we just have to go straight down from that point, and we're gonna cut down like several kilometers. And we believed him, and we started going down, and of course we got lost. So never ever follow the advice of a local when he tells you about a shortcut. It's gonna take you twice the time and twice the energy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.